This morning we're going to work on a battery tie down. This is one of the things I've ignored and neglected. These batteries are sitting in this box, and that's fine, but each one of these weighs 60 pounds, so that's 240 pounds of batteries. And there's nothing really holding them in except this battery box. And in a wreck or something like that, these batteries could come flying out. So I want to put in a battery tie down. Now, the first thing I did, and it's hard to see because of the lighting, is I put a Sharpie line down the edge of the battery to know where there's a gap here between the controller and the battery. All right, now I got two batteries out, the two end batteries, and I wrapped the terminals temporarily with some duct tape to keep them from touching or anything, striking anything, because they're still hot, so protecting that. I'm going to drill a hole here, and I'm going to drill a hole in this area here for the eye bolts. What I've decided to go with is a pair of 3/8 by 4 inch eye bolts, and they are rated at 350 pounds each. And so the batteries are around 250 pounds total, so they'll be well within their range. I'm going to take a strap and hook on each eye bolt and go across the top of the batteries and strap them down. So now it's time to drill holes and install the eye bolts. Now you can see the eye bolts installed. So it's a 3/8 eye bolt with a flat washer, and another 3/8 eye bolt with a flat washer. There's a flat washer on the other side and a 3/8 nut on the other side with a lock washer, and that keeps it in place. Now I can put the batteries back in, hook the straps on, and it'll all be tied down. And now you can see down here, I hope it's focusing. Man, it's having a hard time. I got a hook onto this eye bolt, and the strap comes all the way across, and hook on this eye bolt. And these things are strapped in, and they're not going to move. Now I got to hook everything back up. One thing I've always done with my car batteries is put Vaseline on all the metal components of a battery connection to prevent corrosion. Just regular petroleum jelly, and it's always worked for me. And so I'm going to do it on these before I reconnect everything to make sure I don't get any corrosion in the future. And now the battery's all installed, hooked up, ready to go.